Welcome to Monroe County History. This week we will go back in time to tell you some things you may not have known about Monroe County, or maybe you did. This past July, the R.O. Kramer building in the Albia Square was destroyed by a fire, and tragically one person died in the blaze. I talked with historian Tom Woodward about the origins of the building and the efforts to rebuild it.
It started in 1884 on one section, and the other one finished in 1890. We're kind of a Victorian era since Queen Victoria took the throne in 1837, and a lot of her style and as far as architecture and clothing and was really becoming popular as we started becoming a community. And so we just kind of celebrate that every year, that our Victorian style of homes around the area. And it was a really good era for our community because, like the R.O. Kramer building, that was of the Victorian style, which made it kind of an iconic building for our square. The thought is right now, and the plans are in process, they just need to get it cleaned up first. But they want to put the front back the way it was, so we could have that iconic front back on the square. Now, going back into the store area, I'm not sure of how they're going to go about that, but I know they want to put the front back the way it was.